Hi and welcome to the John F. Wood Center. This video will provide step-by-step instructions for beginners who are just learning how to use a Cricut. And today we will be creating a vinyl sticker. First, going over Cricut setup. So opening the Cricut, you will see the cords. There are two cords, one connecting to the power outlet and one that will connect to your computer. The next step will be plugging in these cords to the back of the Cricut. Now here, just connecting the power cord. And connecting the USB to this dongle so the Cricut can connect to my MacBook. So first we will open the Cricut Design Space app, which I have already downloaded onto my computer, and I've already created a free account. And now we are going to Canvases. So here I have my blank canvas, a new project, and I am uploading a new image. So I'm going to browse, and I've already saved some images to my desktop. Here we have a butterfly, which as you can see is a more complex image with a lot of holes, which will be a part of the background. So just selecting the cutouts, which will not be included in the vinyl sticker we are creating today. Making sure you're not missing any spots, so the butterfly looks good in the end. And now we're applying continue. So we're selecting cut image today. And now I'm uploading another image, which I've already downloaded to the desktop. And here we have some stars, which are much more simple. So we will select simple. And just selecting the background, obviously a lot easier with this one. And again, cut image. So now I'm selecting both the butterfly and the stars we have uploaded, and they will be placed on this canvas. So now I am just adjusting the sizes to see how I'd like them to fit. And as you can see on this canvas, there are measurements. So for this sticker, we'll be staying within the 10 by 10 centimeter size range. So just adjusting the stars where I would like them, and now I copied and pasted the stars, so I have two of them, and you can use these different options to like flip the image horizontally, vertically. So now I'll move on to make, pressing make, and selecting on matte, making sure I have the right size selected, and confirming this. So now the design will be placed on this matte model and making sure everything is within the 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter range, as that is the size of vinyl we will be cutting out. So just making any final adjustments, rotating the stars how I would like them. And now I'm pressing continue, and we have vinyl selected here, so now we will move on to cutting the vinyl. So now I'm grabbing my piece of vinyl, which I've chosen black for the color of my butterfly, and I'm sticking it on the grip mat and grabbing a pair of scissors to cut where 10 centimeters is, both on the vertical and horizontal axis. This will make it easier for me to cut a straight line and cut out the piece of vinyl. So here I'm just cutting out where I've put the slits. So here I have finished cutting out my piece, and I am just sticking it on the grip mat, making sure it is lined up with 10 centimeters, both horizontally and vertically, just making sure it's flat. The board is adhesive, so the piece of vinyl will stick pretty well. And now I'm just using the scraper tool to make sure there are no air bubbles. And now I'm just placing it to be fed into the machine. Now heading back to our computer, we already have vinyl selected here, so making sure we have that selected. And now this arrow button on the Cricut will be flashing, and this will load the tools and materials needed for the job. So pressing that when ready, and the grip mat will be fed into the machine. Now the C button on the Cricut will be flashing. This means go, so press that. And now our job is preparing. Now we wait for the job to complete. It may take a little while. We've just skipped ahead here. And 100% of the job is complete. The grip mat is released from the Cricut. Now I'm just pulling the grip mat out. So now I'm removing my piece of vinyl from the grip mat. So the vinyl and its backing, taking those both off, just using my hands, making sure to be careful and not making any rips, not damaging the vinyl. Now we are ready to start removing the background of the butterfly. So using this tool called a weeder, I'm taking out these spaces. So now just speeding the video up here, making sure I'm not missing any of the pieces cut out by the Cricut. And removing the background of the vinyl, the entire background, making sure the stars stay in place, just making any final adjustments I need here. So once we're done these final touches, the butterfly and the stars are ready to be peeled off and placed onto any of your personal belongings like a water bottle, a laptop. It's up to you.